Hey guys, Frank Curzio here, and what a coincidence. I happen to be in the capital of the United States when it comes to crypto in Miami. And at the same time, when I say it's a coincidence, the President of the United States, President Biden, announced that they're going to start regulating cryptos and provide a framework to really let that innovation take place and grow in the United States. This way we don't fall behind. We've heard a lot of stories, and I'm reading a lot of stories that have been here, that it's not good news, and the diehard crypto guys are saying, it might not be that great. This is fantastic news. I'm here at the source. I'm here with a lot of different companies, met a lot of different companies. They're ecstatic because now they know that it's not millions that are going to flow into this industry. It's billions, tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars. All the banks are lined up. All the innovation, and I've been doing this for 30 years, guys. All the innovation, right? Going to Consumer Electronics Show for 10 years, and they're talking about AI and extensions of AI and all kinds of data analytics and EVs. When it comes to game-changing, disruptive technology, it's all flowing through crypto. You can look at DAO, you can look at security tokens, you can look at the metaverse, all across the board. That's what's happening in crypto. Now this regulation takes place and makes sure that your money is safe. That's what we need in this industry. That's what's going to make the institutions come in and invest. You have the crypto diehards that are a little pissed off saying, well, we wish we didn't have any regulation. We want total decentralization. Until they get their money stolen, they have nowhere to turn to. That's not going to be disruptive. That's not going to cause all the institutions and the billions, tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars flowing into this industry. So meeting with these companies, I can tell you firsthand, being at the source, that they're more excited than they've ever been. Now, I have some news for you. I'm going to show you this. I like to say lifestyles are rich and famous. I like to tell you this is my place. It's not my place. I'm not going to lie to you. But this is a friend's place. It's going to host a meeting. It's going to host a meeting. I'm going to meet the mayor of Miami, who's basically like the president when it comes to crypto. And I want you guys to take a look at this. So this is 8,500 square feet. And again, I like to say this is my place, but it's not. Nice view in Key Biscayne. So we're going to host a meeting here in about 4 weeks. We're going to have all crypto companies here, including the mayor. And I'm going to be taking videos and everything of it. So this is one of the biggest names in crypto. This guy, what he's done for this city. This is the Silicon Valley of crypto right now in Miami. But I have to tell you, being here firsthand, it's unbelievable how excited everyone is. So forget about what you're reading. I know you read things about Ukraine, you read things about China, and you really don't know what's going on with the media these days. It depends what the bias is. I'm here, and I can tell you that the excitement and the buzz is absolutely amazing because people know that money's going to flow in. That means if you're creating crypto projects that are very, very good and you're doing the right thing for your shareholders or your token holders, you're going to get rewarded. And you're going to get money pouring into this industry. So we're going to meet here in a couple of weeks. I have to tell you, even with the mayor of Miami, it's going to be great. I like the music coming on. Eminem, again, not much. I love Eminem. But anyway, just having this conversation with you guys and giving you this briefing, I wanted to tell you there's a lot of things that are disruptive right now, especially now it's going to open up the market where Miami has their own coin, New York's going to have their own coin. It's kind of like marijuana. It's kind of like gambling, where you're going to see state by state by state. This opens a door. When you have more regulation, you have more institutional money coming in. You need to understand that's where disruption comes in. And all the banking industry, the entire banking, the whole financial industry, they know that this disruption that's taking place in crypto is going to impact them the most. That's why they have no choice to invest in this industry. Now that you're going to have the proper regulation, the money's going to flow into this industry. A lot of these names in crypto we're going to be meeting with, a lot of these names and companies I recommended in my portfolio called Crypto Intelligence. As you guys probably know or not know, I launched the first ever security token. One of the first ever security tokens is trading on T0. So someone that's very active in this industry, that my company is based on this industry, the news by President Biden is an absolute game changer. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to open up door so many new investments, including a lot of those names that you can find on our Crypto Intelligence newsletter at Curzio Research. So I'll report back to you guys soon. Questions and comments, I'm always here for you. I'm always here for my subscribers. But about 3 to 4 weeks, I'm going to be taking video right here with the mayor, talking to companies, interviewing people. You're going to hear it on my Wall Street Unplugged podcast. Most importantly, a lot of those names that are in our Crypto Intelligence portfolio, you're going to get to meet those people here and decide for yourself if you want to buy those tokens or not. I suggest you do. There's a lot of great names in the portfolio. Crypto's at a perfect level right now. I think you're going to see it take off in the months ahead simply based on this news. Really exciting time, guys. Just great coincidence I have to be here during one of the biggest news releases that we've seen in this industry in a very, very long time. Really cool stuff. I'll pull back to you guys soon. Take care.